Setting up an email contest campaign. Hey there everyone. We have been extensively talking about how the best way to encourage people to join your email lists is by incentivizing them with a reward. You might have noticed that it has become increasingly trendy to attract people to follow a business with a very engaging type of reward: giveaways. The appeal of giveaways is in the thrill of the opportunity that they give people to get a premium-priced good for free. And they are being used with great results by email marketers to generate lots of subscriber engagement that always end up converted into purchases later on. We want you to learn how to run your own email contests. And in this video, we are going to show you how to do it affordably, quickly, and easily. First, you will need to join a marketing platform that allows you to run contests. And we recommend you to join Gleam, a free-to-use contest marketing platform. You will simply have to go to gleam.io on your browser, to click on Sign Up, and then to complete the registration process. Once you sign up, you will be able to log in and create awesome contests the easy way. As you can see, there are several types of contests that you can run. And in this video, we're going to show you how to set up an email contest that you can use to promote your business and to encourage subscribers to engage repeatedly with your content. Start by clicking on the New Competition button. Now enter the name of your contest in the name field. We recommend you to always use a combination of the name of the prize that you are going to give away and the action required to enter the contest. In our case, we're going to name it Visit Us and win an Easy Touch Test Strips Tri-Pack. Now click on the User Details tab and paste your Facebook page's URL in the Allow Users to Like a Facebook Page field. Now click on the How to Enter tab and select the Visit a Page option. In the title field, enter an actionable phrase to tell your subscribers to click through the link. In our case, we're simply going to use the name of the contest here. Now check the mandatory and daily entry options to increase the chances of your email competition being forwarded to others. Now enter your website's URL in the Link URL field. Lastly, check the Automatically Complete option to continue. Now click on the Prize tab and enter the name of your prize in the Name Title field, and enter the number of winners in the Number of Winners field. Now click on Save to finish setting up your contest. On the following page, click on the URL located under Landing Page and then copy the landing page URL when you're redirected to it. Now you will have to set up an email campaign to forward the contest to your subscribers. In our case, we're going to start by going to our MailChimp account. Once there, we're going to click on Create Campaign and then on the Create an Email option. Now we are going to name our campaign, and then we'll click on Begin to start creating our email. First, we're going to click on Add Recipients. Then we're going to click on the Choose a List menu to select our subscriber list. We are going to send this campaign to all subscribers in our list, so we click on Save to continue. Now we are going to click on Add Subject to add our subject line. For this campaign, we are going to add the name of our Gleam contest as our subject line. Now we save, and then click on Add From to add the campaign's sender's name and email address. We save again, and then click on Design Email. On the Select Template page, we're going to click on the Themes tab to look for a theme that fits our contest. So we select the Competition Invitation theme. Now what we will have to do is to click on the Edit buttons corresponding to each block in the design to replace the logo and the image with our brand logo and the image of our prize using the Replace option. Now we are going to edit the placeholder text to enter our email contest copy. Lastly, we're going to click on the Enter Now button to add our contest URL in the web address field. Now we will click on Save and Close to continue. Now that we are finished setting up this campaign, we will have to schedule it or send it right away. For this example case, we are going to simply send it off immediately. So we simply click on Send and then on Send Now to forward it to our subscribers. And that is it. using segmentation to persuade hard-to-get leads. Hello there, everyone. Some of your subscribers will play hard to get. That is a reality. And the longer they stay in your list without engaging with your emails, the more that they will affect your deliverability rates. That is why we are going to show you how to use segmentation. Segmentation is the action of dividing your subscribers into segments according to their behavior. In this video, we are going to focus on subscribers that do not open your emails. We are going to start on our MailChimp dashboard. From here, we are going to click on the List tab located on the top left-hand menu bar. Once there, we are going to select a list from where we can segment non-opening subscribers. The idea behind this strategy is that once you have added them to a different segment, you can repurpose the emails that you have previously sent them with different subject lines and offers. Okay, so once we identify our target list, we'll simply click on its corresponding drop-down menu, and then we will click on the Manage Contacts option. On the following page, we're going to look for the Segments option, and we're going to click on it. On the following page, we're going to click on the Create Segment button. All right. So on this page, we are going to start by selecting All in the Contacts Match menu. Now in the menus below, we are going to select the following options: Campaign Activity, Did Not Open, and all of the last 5 campaigns. Now we're going to click on Preview Segment. This will show us which subscribers meet our target conditions. Now we are simply going to click on Save as Segment. Now we are going to name this new segment. Now we'll click on Save. And that is it. Now we have a segment of subscribers that we can remarket to with repurposed email campaigns. Collecting high-quality contact data. Hey there, folks. Now that you know that you can segment your subscribers according to their attributes, we would like to show you a way to take segmentation to the next level: contact data collection. Data collection is easier to do than it sounds, and you'll only have to program additional data fields into your sign-up forms. These additional data fields will allow you to better target your subscriber with highly personalized campaigns. We're going to show you how to collect data using MailChimp, but you should be able to do it on a different email marketing platform by using the Sign-Up Form Manager. So we're going to start from our MailChimp dashboard, and from there, we're going to click on the List tab. Now we are going to click on the drop-down menu corresponding to our main subscriber list, and we're going to click on the Sign-Up Forms option. On the following page, we're going to click on the Select button corresponding to the Form Builder option. Now, what we'll do in this section is to add new types of data fields to the sign-up forms that we send to subscribers in this list and to subscribers added to segments within this list. Okay, so because we want to collect data that can help us to better segment our subscribers, we're going to add data fields that hint at a person's demographic information and possible financial profiling based on zip code. So the additional data fields that we're going to add are birthday, address, zip code, phone, and website. These are not required fields as we're not going to ask for them in all subsequent sign-up forms. What we will do with them instead is to use them for a different campaign where we can, for example, ask our subscribers to fill in an optional survey in exchange for a deep discount or a prize of their choosing. And that is it. Crazy simple tricks to double your open rates. One of the hardest obstacles that email marketers face when they get started is increasing their open rates. It usually takes them lots of trial and error before they get it right, which means that they have to invest a lot of time and money into it. To help you avoid that grind, we have created this video, where we are going to teach you the tricks that have helped us to double our open rates. Use curiosity-inducing subject lines. Tease your recipients with mysterious subject lines that do not reveal the exact benefit of your content, but that point to a vague part of the overall benefit. Curiosity-inducing headlines tend to be very effective when they're written as questions. 2 examples of curiosity-inducing headlines promoting your own business include 10 ways to start killing your diabetes with food, the secret to a healthier life, free report inside. State a direct benefit in your subject lines. Subject lines that state a direct benefit are also a great way to double your open rates as long as you use them on emails that you send to ready-to-buy audience segments. To give you an example, if you were going to send an email to promote your social media marketing services to qualified leads, you could use subject lines such as, double your traffic today for only $5. Let us create your social media campaign for cheap. Induce a sense of scarcity in your subject lines. Subject lines that promote time-sensitive or limited quantity offers, promotions, or events induce a feeling of scarcity that prompts recipients to act right when they read them in response to the feeling of missing out. We can use scarcity-themed variations of our previous direct benefit sample subject lines as examples. Double your traffic today for $5. Today only. Let us create your social media campaigns for free. Today only. Use case studies as subject lines. One of the most effective ways to make people want to try something is to show them good results or social proof. You can apply this strategy in your marketing emails to improve your open rates by using case studies as your subject lines. Now, to apply this strategy, you will either need to use a real case study from one of your customers or to use an example case study from a competitor. The good news is that either option will have its own benefits. Using your own case study will tell your recipients that your offer is in fact real, and that you can help them to get the benefits that they want to get by using your product or service. On the other hand, using a competitor's case study will help you to improve your open rates because your recipients will be persuaded to open the email based on the competitor's name in your headline. So, the more popular your competitor, the better. Here are 2 examples of how we crafted case study subject lines for our mail campaigns. Using our own case study in the subject line. Learn how we helped a mom take charge of her health with content. Using a competitor's case study in the subject line. Learn how the American Diabetes Association is stopping diabetes with content. Send your emails late in the morning or in the afternoon. 80% of people open up their email inboxes from their smartphones first thing in the morning, but not to read one email after another, but mostly to delete the ones that they don't plan to read later on, while also forgetting to later check the ones that they don't delete. That is why we recommend you to send your emails later in the morning or in the afternoon, which are the times when most people will check their inboxes to open and read recently received emails. Include an actionable emoji in your subject lines. Adding emojis to subject lines has become a trend in itself, with varying degrees of success. What has really worked, though, is adding actionable emojis to subject lines. Actionable emojis include play buttons, record buttons, green checks, and tick checkboxes. The trick is to add 1 or 2 of the same type, one at the beginning and one at the end of the subject line. Personalize your subject lines. We have made a point of repeating this tactic as much as necessary throughout the run of this video course, and we're going to give it a spin once again. Personalize your subject lines not only by adding the recipient's name to them, but also by leveraging segmentation. To give you an example, if we were going to send a specific email to an audience segment of people who like to buy at budget prices in bulk, we can write a subject line that reads, Claire, this is the best bang for your buck that we have found this week. And that is it. Apply these simple strategies in your new campaigns and watch your open rates soar in no time.